Normally, when you go around an operation theatre in a hospital, you always see the people, the nurses, ward boys, surgeons, anesthetists, either wearing normally something like a blue or a green shade of scrubs or a hospital cloth. And even while performing surgery, we use a green cloth or sometimes a blue sheet while we do the surgeries. Why is this done? Blue and green are soothing to the eyes. So when a surgeon or the nursing team that is involved in the surgery are concentrating on the surgery, looking at a green or blue color soothes the eyes. Hence, when concentrating, your eyes get strained. Looking away from the surgical field, when you look at blue and green, it gives a soothing effect. The same reason why a school van is yellow in color, because yellow is one of the most prominent colors that flashes to your eye. It catches your eye. So hence, school vans are normally put it up as a yellow color van. To soothe the eye, we use normally green and blue. And this is the reason to keep your surgeon comfortable so that the surgery goes fine and you have a very good recovery.